Hello and welcome to a day at Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm probably only going to be in here for half the day, but I'm really excited because I'm going to go start on the lower lot and try and rope drop Jurassic World the ride. Now the park opened around 10 minutes ago, so I'm not quite sure how long the line is or if it's even open. Walking down the Starway, we are the first people in the lower lot, which means we will be the first people on Jurassic World the ride. Okay, we are the first people in the lower lot. Everyone else you see here are all team members. And we're going straight to Jurassic World the ride. Just rope dropped the Mummy, which was so super fun. Jurassic World unfortunately had a delayed opening, so we couldn't get in. It looks like right now it is still closed, so we're gonna go ahead and do Transformers and then maybe head back to Jurassic World. They said this was a 15-minute wait, but there was no people in front of us.
Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out! It's Ravage. He's after the Allspark.
Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Okay, Jurassic World just opened, so we're gonna try and do that. Jurassic World! Okay, turning to the right here to look at Nintendo. Got a nice view here of the back of the cafe and a little bit into Mario Kart behind it. A lot of people working on that second floor right now. Walking up the stairs, physically drained, but it's 9:49 right now. I just did all 3 lower lot attractions without Express in 49 minutes. Headed through the Wizarding World. Looks like both attractions here have a pretty short wait. I'm gonna try and do Forbidden Journey first. I have not been in a standby queue for this in a very long time, so this is pretty exciting. Okay, just getting off of Forbidden Journey. That was awesome. Now gonna head to do Flight of the Hippogriff. So I know I was trying to do as many as I could without Express, but this line said it was 35 minutes, so I just kind of chickened out. Goodness, they added a camera to this ride. What? That's brand new. So here is the new photo cart for Flight of the Hippogriff. So I just confirmed it was added this year, so it's brand new. Okay, so it is just after 10, and I have now done all of the lower lot and all of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter minus Ollivander's, which is closed. Now I'm gonna do Studio Tour because that is something I have not done since pre-COVID. Coming down to the Studio Tour to see this brand new logo. Wow, that is an awesome, minus Fast and Furious, that is a really cool new sign. Headed this way to see a look at Super Nintendo World. We're gonna get a lot closer in a second. I don't know what they're doing here, but there's some construction on this side. Oh my goodness. Whoa, they could fit a ride in there. Wow. Oh my God, do you see how big that space is?
Just a few of the amazing things that have happened in stage 12. Some smaller sound stages on your left side, historically attached to television shows, like Matlock, Murder, She Wrote, Quantum Leap, Leave It to Beaver, The Munsters, more recently, Dirty John, Ghost Whisperer, and Superstore with America Ferrera.
It's hard to hear, but let's have some patience for one another. You know, the heat makes us...
Not much to see back here because they've unfortunately tarped off the back. But that second level is the queue.
There's the thing. It's also where that sweet time, there's gonna be some trouble. So get out there.
So from here, you can kind of see in the back one of the Horror Nights houses that'll be part of the lower lot, a giant tent.
So look at what's going on in your neck of the lot. Okay, flash flood warning. I don't see a problem, guys. I think we're okay. It's just sunny skies and happiness here right now. Oh, never mind. Al Roper's always right. By that question. Look out back there. You're going to get hit. Third car hit the taxi. You're gonna need.
Another thing incredibly exciting is they got rid of the Grinch Stole Christmas set that used to be right here, which used to really block the great views of the Psycho house, and they replaced it with just some picture cars. You can also see some construction fences over here already being put up for Halloween Horror Nights. Inside there, you can see they're starting work on building brand new electric trams. That's pretty exciting. Love the studio tour. That was so great getting to do it again. Unfortunately, a lot of the studio tour we skipped. We didn't go to the Good Place set. We didn't go throughout the entire backlot. And it's just because they're filming, so some days you get to experience that and some days you don't. Anyway, headed towards Secret Life of Pets Off the Leash. It looks like it's been closed all day. Hi Jerry, how are you? You're good, you're having a good day? Awesome. Back at Minion Cafe for lunch, and I know you should kind of vary what you eat, but if I believe that if you find something you like, just keep getting it. So I'm gonna get the grilled cheese again. Here's the meatball grilled cheese with tomato soup and fries. So Secret Life of Pets is a 15-minute wait. Thank goodness I was just over there at Minion Cafe eating food, and I got a notification saying it's open, and people started to hound this ride. Looks like the virtual queue is not open, but they are gonna start filling this up.
Feel how soft your bed is.
Woo! You love me. I just get next homes. That's all I do.
Okay, just did Secret Life of Pets again. This is my third time riding it, and great, really fun, really enjoyed it. And I got to go on with a couple of my friends and hear their reaction, and they loved it too. So I'm back in the Wizarding World. I kind of want to do Forbidden Journey again. That's kind of the beauty of A, getting here early enough when there was no wait in the standby queue, and B, having Universal Express so I don't need to wait in line for a second time.
All right, say observe. On three. 1, 2, 3.
Belongings taken off and confiscated by Mr. Filch.
I haven't enjoyed hot butterbeer in over a year. I love this. So I ended up doing Forbidden Journey one more time. Anyway, while I was in the Wizarding World, I saw they just released brand new reusable tote bags. They're these cool blue ones. So we got a lot done today. We did the lower lot, we did Forbidden Journey a couple times, Flight of the Hippogriff, Secret Life of Pets Off the Leash, and so much more. Thank you so much for being a part of this one. This will be my last trip to Universal in a little while, but I'll be back, don't worry. I'll see you guys in the next one.